Namaste, viewers. It's Friday morning, May 30, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker, a Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money 7 a.m. early morning news, where we provide you the latest, concise, and precise stock market wrap with accurate figures and numbers. Indian benchmark indices, Sensex and Nifty, rebounded from intraday lows, closed higher in a choppy trading session on May 29, driven by volatility linked to the monthly FNO expiry. Despite the swings, gains were registered across most sectors. Buoyed by global cues, Indian equity benchmark indices settled on a positive note amid upbeat investor sentiment after a U.S. federal court blocked President Donald Trump's Liberation Day tariffs. The Sensex was up 321 points or 0.39% at 81,633, and the Nifty was up 81 points or 0.33% at 24,834. As the May derivative series concluded, the Nifty index posted around 2.5% gains, marking its third consecutive monthly advance. Broader markets also displayed strength as both mid-cap and small-cap indices advanced by 0.55% and 0.59% respectively. Underlying investor confidence, a part of the positive sentiment was attributed to global cues, especially after U.S. federal court blocked President Trump's blanket tariffs on imports from U.S. trading partners, boosting risk appetite worldwide. On the sectoral front, barring FMCG and PSU banks, all of the sectoral indices have settled in the green. Nifty Metal and Realty emerged as top sectoral gainers, followed by IT, Pharma, Bank, and Energy. The Nifty Metal Index emerged as the top gainer following Jefferies' bullish stance on Indian steelmakers. The global brokerage highlighted the role of recently imposed safeguard duties in aiding steel profitability. It issued a buy rating on Jindal Stainless while reiterating Tata Steel and Coal India as favorable investment picks. Meanwhile, the fear gauge India VIX, which gauges the volatility in the market, settled lower by 8.87% at 16.42 points. In the US overnight, investors reacted with an initial burst of optimism late Wednesday when a federal trade court struck down President Trump's most sweeping tariffs. But by Thursday afternoon, stocks had paired gains when an appeals court stayed the earlier decision while it considers the administration's challenge to it. Tech stocks and the Nasdaq Composite got a boost from Nvidia's strong earnings, which pushed the chip giant's shares 3.2% higher. The Nasdaq and S&P 500 both ended the day 0.4% higher, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average tacked up 0.3% or 117 points. Brent crude is $64.10, a barrel gold is rupees 95,950 per 10 grams, and silver is rupees 98,090 per kilogram. The outlook for today, Nifty's valuations at 21 times forward earnings for 10% earnings per share, EPS growth, are fairly priced. While long-term structural growth drivers remain intact, the market is likely to consolidate around current levels through the rest of the year. Looking ahead, the psychological resistance of Nifty now lies at 25,000, with immediate support around 24,600, which coincides with the 20-day exponential moving average, 20-day mark. While the benchmark indices continue to trade within a defined range, the action has shifted to specific themes and stock level opportunities. Traders should focus on these pockets but remain cautious as some recent breakouts have lacked follow-up buying. That's the wrap for today, my dear viewers. And if you got value from this, please do subscribe, like, and share this video as much as possible. In the meantime, happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.